From a library computer, submit your print job by hitting Control-P or File, Print. Select Library Color as the printer. Remember that two-sided is the default. Select Print on the pop-up window. You'll be prompted to enter your username, password, and name your print job. Log out of your current computer and head to the color printing station on the east side of the library. Log in at either of the two color printing release stations with your Oki email and password. Select the print job that you previously named, and then click Print.